Please don't tell the supervisor I have the flu.
I've been working with a shattered pelvis for 3 weeks.
Dad, this came for you in the mail.
Mother, get an extra special hug ready. I bought you a new juicer. Good Lord. Flu germs entering every orifice in my head.
What the?
Whoa, how come it's all quiet and stuff? Where is everybody?
We emptied this entire road is in front. This thing was a tourist attraction and it was constantly packed, and then now it's just all empty. It's fucking nuts, man. This is crazy.
Whoa, I think I just figured something out, Beavis.
What?
This sucks.
Yeah, it really sucks.
This sucks more than anything that has ever sucked before.
Right now we're on Thompson Street, just south of Washington Square Park, but north of Bleecker Street. This area has tons and tons of restaurants. It's densely packed, there's lots of cafes, and everything is just super quiet today.
Oh yeah, I think like part of the end of the world is that like everybody's dead.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute, are we dead?
I guess not.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, hey Beavis, I just thought of something. If everybody's dead, but we're not dead, you know what that means?
No?
We are the last people on Earth.
Oh, really?